Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can remove a logo from a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First I have the sample video. I'm going to place it on my timeline and show you. And here on top left you can see there's a logo design. And it's throughout the video. So let's remove this one. To remove a logo, first click on the video and then go to your effects control panel. If you can't find this panel, just go to Windows and click on Effect Controls. First I'm going to unlink the video and then I'm going to take a copy of this. Now I'm going to take a copy of this video and place it on above the video. You can do this by holding the Alt key and place it on above. Now select the video that is on the above and go to the Effect Control panel, and here in the opacity panel you can see there's a tool that looks like a pen. Just click on this and now create a mask. You need a mask from a video. Now once you've added the mask, let's position it and place it on above of the video. You can zoom in. There's a little part left. Let's adjust that. I'm going to increase the scale a little bit. And this looks good now. Let's zoom out and play the video. Now you can see the logo from the video is now removed. This was before and this is after. And that's how you can remove a logo from a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.